Today I want to show you how easy you can make cheese and ham sandwich toasted in the pan. Nice and easy recipe, nothing complicated here. Now the first thing we're gonna do, let's grate the cheddar cheese. With the one ready grated is a bit more complicated because it feels like you can sprinkle it. It doesn't really have that sort of consistency that you can keep it together in one layer. Now moving on to the bread, I want to make sure that I've got a nice thin layer of butter on each of the slices. This will give us a nice golden brown color of the sandwich when we get it into the pan. Okay, first we're gonna go with cheese. Make sure you get a nice even layer of cheese on all of the surface of the bread. And then the ham. Now the second slice will get covered with a nice thin layer of butter, following by more cheese. Although it looks a lot at this point, once melted, it will transform into a nice even melted layer. Now we're going with more ham. Before I'm gonna be adding the last slice on top, I'm gonna be adding some whole grain mustard. This will work perfectly with the ham that we just added. So this slice now goes on top. Set your pan on medium heat. Okay, now the sandwich goes straight in. And I'll suggest to keep it on medium heat, because if you go higher, you're gonna burn the outside of the sandwich, plus the cheese inside the sandwich will not get melted properly. Now you need to cook the sandwich about 4 minutes on each side, making sure that it kind of slowly cooks and it slowly gets that nice golden brown color on the outside of the sandwich. Now let's cut this in half and let's see what we've got.